Hey everyone, my name is Jessica from Sallie Tomato. Today I want to talk to you about Sallie Tomato's zippers by the yard and what makes them unique. What's unique about Sallie Tomato zippers by the yard is that they appear to look metal, but they actually aren't. These zippers have a nylon coil with a metallic finish, which makes them super easy to cut and sew. These zippers are size number 5, so they're ideal for handbags, backpacks, totes, laptop carriers, or they're even fun for exposed zippers on garments. I've always been terrified of sewing with metal zippers, but I just love the professional look they have. So, I've designed these zippers in 5 coil colors to match your purse hardware, which are silver, light gold, antique, black, and copper. They also come in a variety of tape colors so you can coordinate with your fabric. You'll receive a package of 100% cotton zipper tape with nylon coil and 12 zipper pulls. Check out some of the projects I've made using Sallie Tomato patterns, hardware, and zippers. I hope you'll love sewing with Sallie Tomato zippers as much as I do. With a bit of practice, you'll see just how easy they are to use. To make it a little bit easier for you, I've created a free download with all the steps and some tips for how to use zippers by the yard. Feel free to print off as many copies as you'd like and share it with all of your sewing friends. The link to the download is below this video. For more inspiration and tutorials, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.